Okay, Square up marginally. MDT up about 60 cents. All right, let's take a look at JP. No option markets open yet. My guess is this thing will probably be down to about 30 or 40 cents. All right, so we're trading about 60 cents on this thing. Again, not horrendous at all. Question is, do we get out, or what I'm actually even looking to do is potentially sell the 103 call of next week at 40 cents and put us into just a $1 vertical call spread. Okay, now this thing is up to 65 cents.